All right, got the two-finger. I don't even know what to call it. The two-finger magic wand. It hurts gripping anything. This way I could just boop, boop. Quick action. Look at that. Quick. Oh, it's so nice not having to engage my thumb. Oh, it gets so tired. Here we go. Come on. Yo, this is nice. Yeah, normally I do this. Right here, that hurts. This doesn't work, but this. Oh my God. I'm definitely patent pending. No one steal this. I'm gonna sell this. Look at this. Like magic. Let's close in here. Come on. In action. In action. Let's go. Warcraft. Let's go. Look at that. Quick. It's like quick. It's like the game or Nintendo glove. It's the iPad finger.